So we can have a feedback session now, sir.
Yes, sir. So participants will have to just mention their name and their institute, and they can start giving their feedback. So every participants will have to just mention your name and institute, and then whatever feedback you would like to give, please give us.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good morning. Good morning.
This is R. Senil, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sri Abdul Hakim Engineering College of Technology, Tamil Nadu. Actually, the FDB program, overall program was very, very useful, especially on Saturday section, how teachers explain the subject based on video, PPT, general methodology of employed by the teachers. It was very, very useful by Dr. Joshi sir. And on Monday also, sir, program was very, very useful by Dr. Vikash Shende. It's a project-based teaching learning. It was very, very useful and interesting, informative session, sir. Yesterday's session also very, very useful, sir. How based on the learner's point of view and the micro concept that and all, it is totally, it's a new approach to the teaching learning process. And one more thing, the new educational policy employed, how the future will be there based on the new education policy. So it was very, very useful for my teaching career, sir. Thank you so much for the college, the organizing committee, and the expert, every key members. I really thank you for this FDB program, sir. Thanks so much, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your feedback. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Next participant, please. Pooja Jaiswal, madam.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for these sessions. I enjoyed a lot and I learned number of things. Actually, we are already in this profession. I'm Pooja Jaiswal, and I'm from the same institute, VPKPIT, Electrical Engineering. I have learned number of good things. And first of all, I would like to thank all the speakers. Here, we have learned many innovative techniques in which the Mentimeter, Padlet, ICT tools, MOOC learning, OBE patterns, Google Classroom. The today's all sessions were excellent, which we can get the all idea about artificial intelligence, exam patterns. Google Classroom was an excellent session, and the all sessions which has been conducted were excellent. And the NEP 2020, we could get whole idea about the NEP and project-based learning, experiment learning, and here we have discussed about the how a teacher can start their research, and that research can be leads towards the entrepreneurship. So thank you all, the organizing committee, for these wonderful sessions and wonderful program. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Next participant.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please. Yes, sir. Sachin Galme, sir, please.
Yes, sir. Good morning, one and everyone. Myself, Dr. Sachin Galme, working as associate professor with Sandeep Institute of Technology.
Please loudly.
Hello. Myself is Dr. Sachin Galme, working as associate professor with Sandeep Institute of Technology and Research Center, Nasik. Actually, I am in this profession for 20 years, but it has been said by someone that teaching is itself a 2 times of learning. So actually, I was using with the conventional methods for teaching for since last 20 years. But because of this COVID pandemic situation, all of we have shifted from offline education system to the online education system. So in that online education system, it is very much important to make the student engage with yourself. Although you are a good presenter, but make students engage with yourself, that is very much important. Because in that online education system, students are not able to concentrate and they are not gaining sufficient knowledge that although the faculty members are presenting in a proper manner. So through this seminar, or we can say the workshop, I got a sufficiently different innovative techniques, which will definitely help me as well as all faculty members to carry out the innovative teaching in their career as well as in future coming days, so that the student will get engaged along with themselves, and that will definitely help for the students as well as that will definitely help to the faculty members also. So this was a really good experience for myself also, how to use these innovative teaching methodologies along with this online education system. So once again, I am very much thankful to the organizing team of KPBIT for organizing such a beautiful workshop. The all sessions were organized in a proper manner, as well as the all experts were knowledgeable also. So once again, thank you for the organizing team providing opportunity to attend this workshop. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sachin Galme, sir. Next participant, please.
P6, madam, I think Dr. Gauri Shukla wants to say something. Madam, please.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. I'm Dr. Gauri Shukla from Biomedical Engineering Department of Thadomashan Engineering College. I attended all the sessions, and all the sessions were really good. All resource persons were very knowledgeable, and the way they have delivered the lecture was really good. One more thing I would like to say, like especially the sessions conducted by Dr. Kada, they were really informative, and he actually showed us how now in pandemic we all have moved to this online platform. Earlier we never have used it so much. So now at least we have got the idea through his assignment also with Padlet, Mentimeter, and yesterday he took lectures about this MOOC, how we can interact more with the students and can have that at least the lively experience in our teaching. That is what missing actually. As a teacher also, since we are there in this profession for so many years, we have to have that eye contact. Then every time we want to know whether our students are understanding or not. So maybe we can implement all those things and we can still connect more easily with the students. Thank you, organizers, for having conducting this such a beautiful workshop. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Gauri, madam. Next participant, please. Anil Londe, sir. Anil Londe, sir, are you with us? Vandana Damle, madam.
Yes, hello everyone. Am I audible?
Yes,
ma'am.
madam.
Yes.
So I sincerely thank Dr. Hivrekar and his team for organizing this 1 week AICTE IST approved refresher program on innovative teaching learning methods. We attended lectures, we had sessions by many renowned speakers like Dr. Kapil Kadam, then Dr. Sutavne, Dr. Joshi, Dr. Ahuja, etc. I'm very much impressed by the session on PBL conducted by Dr. Vikas Shinde. I'm basically a mathematics teacher, so I'm really interested in studying how PBL can be implemented for mathematics, and mainly at the first year engineering level. I must appreciate that the contents were very informative and very useful. I see a very good value addition in the virtual teaching techniques under the current elongated pandemic situation. I once again thank the organizers and all the resource persons to make this event successful. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Vandana Damle madam. Thank you so much. Next participant, please. Balwankar sir.
Sorry.
Please, madam, continue.
Yes. Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Pragya Gupta, assistant professor from. Good afternoon. No, there are still 10 minutes more left. Good morning, everyone. I'm Pragya Gupta from Electronics Engineering Department, KJ Somaiya College of Engineering, Mumbai. I would actually like to thank everyone, all the organizers for this amazing sessions, all the amazing sessions. There are so many things that we learned. So I've been actually I was working in the industry for 8 years just after my graduation, and voluntarily resigned from industry and took up to teaching because I was interested in teaching. My mother is a teacher. I wanted to be a teacher right from the beginning, but somehow, anyway, then I took up to teaching, and then it's been about 10 years now that I've been into teaching. 8 years in the industry, 10 years into teaching. But I must really appreciate the course contents, the sessions that were conducted. They are absolutely amazing, and we learned so much. There were so many things that we learned, out of which one statement that yesterday's session said was, instead of now, we are not dependent on emotions now, we are more dependent on algorithms. So it doesn't run on emotions anymore. It runs on algorithms. And that was one thing that we must understand, that now everything is going to be in this manner only, and we have to adjust. So the learners are going to evolve in that manner, and we have to evolve ourselves in that manner. So the traditional teaching has to now take a back seat, and we have to adapt ourselves with the way in which the learners are now progressing. So that this is one takeaway that I will the key takeaway that I'll take from these sessions. Thank you to the organizers once again. That's it from my end.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Next participant, please. Next participant. Ansari Aves sir.
Yes, good morning, sir. I am Ansari Aves from DY Patil School of Engineering. I am very much thankful for organizing this event, and because this is very helpful for enhancing our teaching and intellectual properties. So I must thank to the speakers. So there are some heavyweight speakers such as Ahuja sir from COEP or YV Joshi sir from SGGS. So these peoples are very valuable asset for us, and they have guided us for. Ahuja sir has guided connected teachers, so how we can improve our placements and all. And YV Joshi sir has explained us how we can teach or how we can enhance our teaching learning experience. So that is very helpful. And from Dr. Kapil Kadam sir has explained the various tools that we can use for teaching learning. So again, that is very helpful for us. And last but not least, sir. So he has teach how we can live healthy and most specifically happy in the situation of COVID-19. So again, I am very much thankful for organizers for organizing this event. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your feedback. Next participant, please.
Dr. Chitragar, sir, please.
Okay. Okay.
Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Continue.
Yeah, good morning, all the participants and organizers. I am Dr. P.R. Chitragar, head of the mechanical department from the host institute only. Really, from 22nd of this month till today, we had really very nice sessions from so many expert faculty members. To name few is like Kapil Kadam sir, Sutavane sir from COEP, Joshi sir, even Shinde sir on the PBL part, and BM Nayak sir, the most well-known personality from the SSGS Nanded, and even Baswaraj Huli sir, and even today also all these VP KBIT team members, even the coordinator also Dr. Hivarekar sir, Jende sir, Bale madam and Pise sir. Really in this pandemic situation, I'll appreciate and would like to say thanks to everyone. Like you are making us to be get involved in this situation, because really it is very panic situation for all of us for the last 1 year, but still we are not stopped our learning processes. So though I would like to say everyone, like we need student every time. Age does not matters, and always knowledge matters. That's what be a learner every time. Really, I would like to thank all the speakers, eminent speakers. I got knowledge. I don't know, maybe I'm using, but I'm unaware of some of the facts in the same platform. So I would like to thank all the speakers, and although also I would like to thank the coordinator, Dr. Hivarekar sir, and his team, and all other people who are involved in organizing this. And hope this set of events to everyone take care of yourself. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Next participant, please.
Shashank Biradar sir, please.
Yes, sir.
Hello, am I audible?
Manoj Balankar sir, please.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you everyone for giving me the chance to speak. It is a really pleasure to have this particularly conclusion of such a wonderful workshop. Over a last 1 week, we had so much diversified kind of a topics ranging from LMS then to the how to design the MOOC, which is really important part of blended learning activities. Then also we have also this happiness and health. I think it was a very important part of this particularly online teaching learning mode as a part of the affective domain. So overall, it is overall all the eminent speakers were there. They stick to the point, and also they have answered all the queries, and the sessions were really interactive. And it is really a challenging task to have such a diversified topics and the eminent speakers at the same platform. So I really congratulate all the organizers and the team. It is a really wonderful job. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Dr. Sonali Patil. Hello. Sonali Patil, madam.
Sir, I think Shashank Biradar sir is waiting. So
Okay, we can. Sir, Biradar sir, you can please.
Hello, am I audible?
yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so I'm feeling very much happy and delightful after attending all the sessions of this refresher program. Really, it is a refresher program because all the eminent speakers have put a very excellent ideas, and I'm very happy to attend and gaining all the concepts. I especially like the lectures given by Dr. Joshi sir, Dr. Sutavane sir, then Dr. Sauji sir, and each and every speaker has put a different dimension, and I really like the lectures given by Kadam sir, then Naik sir, and especially Baswaraj Hudi sir. So they have actually made us to think out of the box, and actually it is the need of the society because due to this pandemic situation, all we are conducting online classes and so on. So they have given us an idea that how we can effectively progress in this online teaching learning methodologies and so on. And I'm damn sure if we adapt and evolve with these concepts, definitely our stakeholders will be benefited and they will withstand with the competitions in the society. I'm very much thankful, and I'm deeply congratulate each and every organizer, especially Hivarekar sir, then Sonone sir, Patil sir, Disle sir, and Sajjan madam. Each and every everyone has put a very lot of efforts to make this refresher program successful. I'm very much thankful and congratulate each and every organizer. Thanks a lot for organizing this informative workshop.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Shashank
Biradar
sir.
sir.
Thanks a lot.
We'll take one or two feedbacks.
Sir, last two, I think.
Last two. Vaidya sir already has joined.
Okay.
And
Yes, sir. Yes.
within 5 minutes, we will start final.
I think there might be some people, sir. One or two.
Yes, yes. you
Sirish
take.
Mane, sir. Sonali, sir, let me please take him. Sirish Mane, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm here. Shall I?
Please continue.
Yeah. Okay. So good morning, all. This is Professor Shirish Mane from Rajaram Bapu Institute of Technology, Sangli, Maharashtra. So I would like to first thank all the organizing team members for organizing such a wonderful FDP. So I think all the speakers were great. I specifically liked the session by Dr. Naik or Professor Naik, which was very to the point, and also sessions on PBL and all the other sessions. I had actually attended the PBL session by Professor Vivek earlier also, so I was aware about whatever he delivers. So we had a session at RIT and he had delivered around the 2 days long session on PBL. But even nevertheless, it was a very good FDP and we have learned a lot of new things. So again, thank you everybody for organizing this particular FDP. Thank you all. Thank you, sir.
Yes, yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Professor H.G. Sawant, do you want to say something?
Very good morning to all of you. Thank you.
Please speak loudly, please.
Okay, very good morning all of you, sir. Thank you for AICT and IST for conducting such a
Please
nice
speak
workshop.
loudly, sir.
Hello?
We are not able to hear you, sir.
Hello. Very good morning, sir. Hello.
Be louder, sir. Be louder.
Okay, sir. Very good morning, sir. Thank you for AICT and IST for conducting such a very useful and interesting and inspiring workshop for our teachers. And thanks for team of VKBIT, wonderful arranging 6-day workshop that is very interesting and inspiring all of us. I don't only enjoy this workshop, I will try to practice it. And I am more confident to do something and give to my students. Thank you, sir. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your sincere feedback. Anyone else? Any other participant?
Sir, I think we'll stop now.
Eureka, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We will start final conclusion function.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. Already joined, so you welcome.